Good morning, everyone. Hopefully I don't die during this webinar. I want to make sure I'm live. Wish me the best. Yes, we're live. All right. So, good morning, everyone. So I'm sicker than a dog. Slept like absolute crap. I may have slept 20 minutes last night. But guess what? Guess what? I may piss and moan. But I still show up. There's a difference. There's a difference between whining and not showing up and whining and showing up. Drop me those stickers and comments in chat. And FYI, Alex, if you could link to my personal Instagram, Alex, every year I do the 12 days of Christmas. So follow me on my personal Instagram, @TBowen. Alex, if you could link that. The 12 days of Christmas, I've done it every year for probably the last 3 or 4 years. What I do every single day, I share with you either a free or a really cheap resource, okay? So it's kind of my way to, there's thousands of you that come to pre-market prep. Thank you. So my way to give back is starting tomorrow, either a free or very inexpensive trading related resource. I'll share those on my Instagram stories. All right, guys, HTG. 3x float rotation in pre-market. News, former runner. Nice spiker on Friday as well. Dipping it. Afternoon VWAP hold too. It's up a lot. APVO. 5 million float, 8 million shares traded. What do these guys do? Blazing, whoa. Blah, blah, blah. Oh, okay, cancer, oncology, all right. So, today's the 12th, yeah. Okay, news, good volume. I think this is a former runner, isn't it? Yeah, former runner. Back a year ago today. Wait for the Oracle levels. Afternoon VWAP hold. I mean, it's kind of the same as a. It's kind of the same thing as HCGM. KTRA, man, love KTRA. Just the volume. If you remember, this was, what was it, about a week ago? This was our number one risky swing idea. And when it broke out, when it broke out at about 10, when it broke out at 10, this was kind of our number one, quote unquote risky swing. I don't know if you can enter here. I think you just got to let it ride. Okay. So that's always confusing. Listen, because of the volume, I think if you took the idea a week ago and you're sitting nice on this, let it grind. I don't see how you can enter a position until they drop news and they get real volume. I mean, what did it trade Thursday or Friday? Yeah, I mean, what, 1 million shares? Not even 1 million. Yeah, 200,000, 500,000 shares. So, Bibby. What's his chat pump or not? KWE's chat pump. Bibby's too light a volume. What's KWE? We got the chat pump. A little bit. Is that float right? KW. Yeah, puny float, chat pump, buy in pre, sell in pre. Definitely a dip and rip. This is another shitty biotech. Or aerospace. Nope, aerospace. But buy in pre, sell in pre. It's a chat pump. Remember, 9 out of 10 chat pumps fail at the open. This is a bread and butter Monday morning dip and rip for sure. Higher float. But other than that, it's good. KWE, repeat, chat pump. What do you think about beat? You know, again, it's just, we loved beat a while ago. It's just, you know, no volume is the problem. So, yeah, I mean, listen, it's a beautiful chart. Like, I love beat's chart. Remember, we were all over this back in, September, but just the volume, you know, it's just too tough to trade. So, SMMT. So the answer is beat. I love the chart. Too illiquid. Break of Friday's highs. Yeah, break it. Or week open red to green even. SMMT was a week open red to green 4 days last week. Or wait, 3 days last week. So just recycle the plan on SMMT. So, what did I do there? Delete. SMMT, hope for a gap down and a warg again. This worked 3 out of 4 days last week. PHVS, yeah. Love it. Hanging around. Probably got to wait for Friday's areas over 10. Kind of, you know, what I don't like is it tried to break 1050 3 times on Friday and failed. So I think you got to kind of wait for that area. Definitely a top watch, though. +10 wakes this back up. On a week open red to green, do you buy the dip? Well, the idea is I'm trying not to puke. It would be pretty awesome if I puked on a webinar, though. How cool would that be? Would you guys? So anyway, the idea would be that 375 morning support area. So basically you would be in an example like SMMT, you would buy the green move. So you would hope for a red open, then a bounce off of both Friday night and Monday morning's support area. That would be your stop loss. You'd buy the green move. We also like to combine multiple areas. So it'd also be nice to combine a whole dollar, half dollar of 4, which was also the high from Friday. So SMMT, just a great example of combining as many levels as possible with a red to green, with a break of the previous day's highs, with a whole dollar, half dollar, close to and a 52-week high, you know, and a 52-week high, not counting the intraday candles, and a gap to fill, okay? And then again, you would be risking that after hours support and pre-market support area. So, all right, Arnaz liquidity trap. Arnaz is probably doing nothing, isn't it? Huh? Yeah, I don't know. I mean, Arnaz is dead. All right, let's get the number 1, and then I'm going to bail. Hopefully I don't die on this webinar. Sorry, guys. KWE, HTGM, APVO. At least APVO is low float. So I would say probably number 1 is number 1 morning probably APVO. And then number one, man, I would love to see a VWAP hold on HTGM. So, all right, guys. I apologize for all the coughing, but I still did show up. I did whine, but I did show up. Give me a follow on Instagram at TBOHEN. Starting tomorrow, I'll start giving away a free or very cheap trading resource on my Instagram stories. Have a good day, my friends, and we'll see you next time.